Welcome to Bookhogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase u and then look at some words that begin with a letter. So let's begin. Lowercase u is written halfway up in between the two lines, like this. Now let's look at some words that begin with the letter for umbrella, U for ukulele, U for unicycle, for under, and for up. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.